How to fix text to speech not showing on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. On this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix text to speech not showing on TikTok. Well, basically, if you open up TikTok and head over to your particular drafts, right now I don't have any drafts here, and open up text to speech. And it's not showing up, right? It's not working. And here's how you can fix it. First things first, you want to make sure that your device, the app on your device, is updated to the latest version. So head over to your Play Store or App Store and looking for update. If the update isn't available or if you have updated it, then the next step is to go ahead and clear the cache. Head over to settings, scroll down. Now you can do it within the app as well, but I will recommend you to do it through the device. Head over to apps and search in for TikTok. Then here, head over to storage and tap on clear cache and go ahead and clear the cache. Once you have done this as well, go ahead and restart your device and open up the application. This will fix the issue. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.